Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remove sounds from videos on the Google Pixel 10. So if you want to remove unwanted sounds from videos, you can do that by going to the camera app, and then before you record the video, you can try to enable the speech enhancement option, which isolates your voice and removes most of the sounds. But if you've already recorded the video and you want to edit that, you can do that by going to your video. I have this video where I'm just creating some background noise. I'm banging on the table and saying test, test. So this is what it sounds.
Testing the voice isolation feature.
So as you can hear, there's background noise, and we can cancel it out by going to edit. So press on edit under the video. Select audio eraser, wait for it to identify the sounds, and once it's identify them, you have a few options. So you have noise, speech, and music. This is the sounds that the AI has detected, and this is the noise. You can isolate it. For example, it's enhanced, and if you want to remove it, you just drag it this option all the way down. And now as you can see, you can't really hear any banging in the background. You can only hear my voice.
Isolation feature.
And you can also mute the speech if you want. So it just sounds like this, just mostly quiet. And once you're done, just press the done button on the bottom, and then press save copy. And there you go. Now you have removed the sounds from your videos. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.